Hi, I'm Rashmi Tandukar, founder of New Designs. I said to my parents that I want to learn fashion designing, but they were like, no, this is not the right career. This
And I guess from the concept of repurposing is built from our home science.
yes. So people don't talk much about textile waste.
They are not used to. They are used to like fast fashion.
अनि एकजना
So
आयो अनि लास्टमा रश्मि तन्डुका सबभन्दा सानो भन्नेवाला आएपछि त my God.
hello everyone, namaste. Welcome to a very new video from waste to wow. Today we are joined by Rashmi Tandukar. In the world where all the or most of the climate activists are working for the topics, for the issues like air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, she has been working for something different, the denim waste. Yes, she has been recycling and upcycling the denim waste, making beautiful products out of it. So let's dive into her story to know about her story of fashion designing and the story of New Designs, which has created an impact for the solution of the denim wastes. So first of all, I would love to know about your story with fashion designing, how you were inspired to study fashion designing in the world where everyone wants to study like a doctor, either an engineer or chartered accountant, like professional jobs. How you were inspired to study fashion designing?
So I was like kind of keen to know about, fashion. I was like, I wanted to wear so much of like nice clothes, So त्यसरी चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ आफ्नै राम्रो लुगा लगाउने possible भएसम्म आफूले चाहिँ different design लगाउने, होइन मासमा जसले जे लगाउँछ that has to be mine, has to be slightly different भन्ने जस्तो चाहिँ that was my feeling के पहिलादेखि नै. अनि during my time it was not so much of like internet and everything was not so much there. We used to look after different kind of international magazines and all. So त्यो magazines-हरुको runway-को pictures-हरु, and then the like people used to walk, designers used to walk, there used to be like so much of fashion shows and everything. So that fascinated me so much. And then during SLC हुन्थ्यो हाम्रो 10 पछिको वाला. So त्यति बेलामा चाहिँ I said to my parents that I want to learn fashion designing, but they were like, no, this is not the right career. This doesn't have like so much of exposure rather than, the other field that you have mentioned just. So त्यसरी चाहिँ they convinced me to no, you have to study something in medicine. You can go in medicine field or something like that. And then I joined science as my during my +2 science background saw. And then but still that creativity to do something for myself. I want to stand out from the rest. I don't want to be rigorously in the field that people normally does. So that was in my head. So के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ I didn't enjoy much during my +2 time also. So after +2, I convinced so much to my parents that no, this is this field I am not enjoying and I won't be able to excel also, and this I won't be doing. So त्यसरी चाहिँ convince गरेर I searched the fashion college by myself. होइन आफैले गएर ओरिएन्टेसन दियो, क्लासेसहरू गरेर चाहिँ, अनि देन फाइनलमा चाहिँ आफ्टर आई गट सेलेक्टेड एन्ट्रान्स एक्जाम पछि सो इट ह्यापन्ड. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ मैले घरमा भनेको नो, आई एम गोना जोइन दिस कलेज, होइन मलाई चाहिँ यसो गर्नु पर्यो, सो आई एम गोना डु दिस, होइन गिभ मी 3 years, होइन मैले केही गरेँ कस्तो लाग्छ, यु अल्सो ह्याभ टु लर्न. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ केही गरी भएन भने चाहिँ वी क्यान स्टिल ह्याभ लाइक समथिङ एक्स्ट्रा, होइन. सो त्यसरी चाहिँ आई स्टार्टेड without any background, anything, with my inner self. So I started like that.
Very surprisingly, अब एउटा कुरा चाहिँ के रहेछ भने like even me, my story matches with you because like I enjoy public speaking a lot, and but still I'm studying management along with doing those things, and I would prefer whether I am in a professional course or any other course, I would love to continue it, even if I am a professional or I am a worker, I would love to do it because it gives a next level of satisfaction for you as well. Yes,
right. That's like जे चलिरहेको छ, that is also regularly to be done. But what makes you inner self happy and what is like so much inspiring you to move always ahead, that is most important, right?
Next, can you share about the birth of new designs and what is new?
So Nu stands for new actually. So it means new in Newari language. So in Newari, I belong to a Newari native. So Nu means new in Newari language, and the side story about the name coming Nu is like my mother name is Nuche Maya. So I have picked like the small term, like the few letters of like Nu to my thing. So the reason behind doing that is like the concept of repurposing, reusing is also narratively given by inherited by our parents. हामीलाई चाहिँ अब lifestyle-मै we can say. So we are being taught that we should not throw anything. Right, everything can be reused during like in each and every household of ours also. Our mothers teaches us to reuse that old clothes to potha or something like that. Ani त्यो दहीको cordको बट्टा and everything is also used for using as a jug. And the clothes that you wear, if the thick is her, if that is in good condition, then that is repurposed and like given to the younger siblings. So that's how from all the motherhood, people have like taught us to be into repurposing and recycling everything. So I wanted to dedicate this new designs as the motherhood thing as well. So new designs wanted and names चाहिँ त्यसरी एउटा motherhoodलाई पनि define गरेर चाहिँ हामीले dedicate पनि गर्न सक्यो because repurposing को वाला सबै कुरा चाहिँ we have inherited from them. So त्यसरी चाहिँ सुरु भएको हो actually the name.
Okay, I belong to Madhes and Madhes को context मा भन्नु भने personally मेरो घरमा पनि अब हामीहरु मसाला हाल्छौं नि जुन डब्बाहरुमा अब हामीले सानीबाट खाएको हर्लिक्स मैले भाइ बहिनीहरुले खाएको कम्प्लान बुस्ट त्यो लाइक स्टिल अहिलेसम्म मेरो घरमा हालेको छ and they are being used to keep different things. And that I guess from the concept of repurposing is built from our home science.
Yes. So that has been taught actually. So we were been taught because त्यो particular term थिएन होला त्यति बेलामा अब we didn't like सानोमा repurpose गर्नुपर्छ भनेर त्यसरी term use त गर्दैन थियो नि त. But still that were been taught and that is in our blood we can say. नेपाली मदरहरु सबैजनाले हैन एकदमै reutilization फाल्न हुँदैन भनेर त्यसरी सिकाएकै हुन्छ. So that all the concept repurpose गर्ने जुन हामीले गरिरहेछौं that also comes from that things.
And I just love your products. Every product you make. Like I have been following your Instagram page and Facebook page for a long time and तपाईले reel post गर्दै गर्नुहुन्छ नि. I see them and I become surprised that अब मेरो आफ्नै 3-4 वटा jeans छ भने I either throw them after they are out of use or I keep them in home uselessly. अब केही काम छैन उसलाई घरको कुनै कर्नरमा कुनै बक्समा त्यो हालेको हुन्छ. But what you do is make those jeans, those denim cloths surprisingly wow. So what is from the product ko chahi idea theme to product idea kahaबाट आउने? What is the origin of those products?
So this happened actually back during my graduation time actually. So पढ्दै जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ when we were doing graduation, so accessory के भन्ने क्लासेसहरु हुन्थ्यो के that used to happen. So त्यति बेलामा चाहिँ we need to present our collection something. So my theme was upcycling that time. So what happened भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यति बेलामै I started this is back in 2015. So my collection the theme of my collection was upcycling त्यति बेलामै. So त्यति बेलामै I made bags अनि त्यसपछि apron and slippers, night slippers यिनीहरु चाहिँ out of denim itself. So this was there in my head from 2015 that I want to work on this thing because repurpose गर्यो भने चाहिँ reuse reutilization गर्यो भने चाहिँ what happens is like waste कम हुन जान्छ, right? Because waste management is a bigger issue here in Kathmandu. So people don't talk much about textile waste अहिलेसम्म पनि. So that could be एउटा problem त already it's her. So which I already did in 2015. So that can be problem identified and that can be rebuilt into something new concept भनेर चाहिँ that happened. The idea came in back then. Okay. So it was like that.
And the very point I found, अब म आफै पनि क्लाइमेटको लागि like 2-3 years भइसक्यो. I have been working in the field of climate, which we have discussed in our last interview as well, when I came here for like discussing about those things. And क्लाइमेटको लागि काम गरिरहँदा पनि the major topics we found, कुनै पनि अब like organization, different organizationsहरुसँग पनि काम गरिरहँदा, the major topic we focus on, it is either air pollution, land pollution, water pollution.
Right.
तर denim waste or fabric waste जुन हुन्छ योमा चाहिँ हामीहरुको पर्सनली मेरो चाहिँ योमा आँखा आउने भनेको तपाईलाई भेटेपछि मात्र हो. I found that oh my god, fabric waste can be also dangerous to this earth. And numbers मा हेर्ने हो पनि, numbers मा हेर्दा पनि like हामीहरु त्यसले काउन्टै गरिरहेको छैनौं के. कार्बनलाई काउन्ट गरिरहेको छौं हामीहरु हैन, ल्यान्डमा अर्को ल्यान्डफिल्सहरु काउन्ट गरिरहेको छौं, प्लास्टिकले यतिको काउन्ट गरिरहेको छौं, तर फ्याब्रिक वेस्ट चाहिँ काउन्टै गर्न हामीहरु बिर्सेछौं. एन्ड तपाईको वर्कले एनी आइडिया कि कति पर्सेन्टेज और इन नम्बर्स कति चाहिँ अब फ्याब्रिक वेस्टले चाहिँ कभर गरेको छ एन्ड कतिको तपाईहरुको इम्प्याक्ट रहेछ टु सल्भ द्याट?
So fabric waste मा चाहिँ there are like two different actually. So natural fabrics हरु हुन्छ, so those are like biodegradable. So a certain time पछि चाहिँ केही गरी waste भयो भने पनि it gets degraded, right? So synthetic fabrics like polyester, there are like different chemical based fabrics हरु. Basically चाहिँ तिनीहरुको भनेको चाहिँ it's plastic के microplastics हरु नै हुने हो हैन. So ultimately plastic as a whole, ठूलो plastic पनि प्लास्टिकै भयो, अनि त्यसपछि यो जुन synthetic fabrics हरु हुन्छ, so they are also plastic based हैन. So ultimately it's plastic, तर hidden form भनेको चाहिँ fabric जस्तो देखेको मात्र भयो, right? So larger form plastics र plastic based natural fabric को र synthetic fabric को त difference यो भयो हैन. So similarly के भइराछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ नेपालमा especially हैन, also in developing countries, so fast fashion ले चाहिँ एकदमै रुल गरिराछ के. So fast fashion is like तपाईको low quality को fabrics हरु but हैन low qualitative things comes in so much हैन, over consumption को लागि चाहिँ एकदम popular भयो के fast fashion भनेको चाहिँ. So what happens is like, so over consumption जति भयो त्यति नै थ्रो हुने, अनयुज हुने, अनि त्यसपछि ल्यान्डफिलमा डम्प हुनेको प्रोपोर्सन पनि त्यही वाइज बढ्छ नि त. सो व्हाट ह्यापन्स इज लाइक फास्ट फ्यासन जति धेरै बढ्यो हैन, कन्जम्पसन र थ्रोको पनि त्यति नै रेशियो इक्वली बढिरहेको छ है. सो नेपालमा पनि त्यस्तै भइरहेको छ. अनि त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ अर्को के पनि छ भन्दाखेरि डेभलप्ड कन्ट्रिजहरु हैन, अब लाइक हुन्छ नि वेस्टर्न कन्ट्रिजहरुले चाहिँ उनीहरुको अनयुज्ड ड्यामेज व्हाटएभर जो रिजेक्टेड वाला टेक्सटाइल्सहरु जति पनि छ उनीहरुले चाहिँ उनीहरुको अप्सनमा चाहिँ नभएको, बिकज द्याट इज लाइक reuse गर्नलाई चाहिँ it takes like a lot of manpower and infrastructures and money as well हैन. सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ डेभलप कन्ट्रिजहरुमा चाहिँ थ्रो गरिरहेको, डम्प गरिरहेको चाहिँ चान्सेसहरु धेरै बढिरहेछ के. वान अफ देम इज लाइक हुन्छ नि बंगलादेशहरुमा पनि बाहिरको रिजेक्टेड आइटम्सहरु चाहिँ डम्प हुने, इन्डियामा पनि डम्प हुने चाहिँ एकदम भइरहेको छ. सो सिमिलरली नेपालमा पनि त्यो बिस्तारै स्टार्ट भइसकेको छ. सो अब डेभलपिङ कन्ट्री लाइक आवर्स हैन, सो जसमा चाहिँ अब सानसानो कुरा च्यालेन्जेसहरु कति धेरै छ नि त हाम्रोमा. सो फ्यासनले गर्दाखेरि पनि फेरि अर्को च्यालेन्ज थप्यो, अर्को प्रब्लम थप्यो भने त इट्स भेरी हार्ड फर अस टु डिल विथ हैन, बिकज हाम्रो त अब इट्स वी आर नोन फर rich in natural resources हैन, ब्युटी, माउन्टेन्स हैन, सबै कुराको लागि, and second richest country in water resources भनेर हामी त चिनिन्छ नि त. सो these pollutions केही गरी अलरेडी भएको सँगसँगै चाहिँ यो पनि हाम्रोमा एड अन भयो भने त सो it's very hard for us to preserve all these natural resources हैन. सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ we need to focus अब सानैबाट भए पनि we have to start भनेर चाहिँ we started this हैन. सो it has been like 2 years we started New Designs and more than 2 years. अनि यति बेलासम्म चाहिँ we have already upcycled something about 500 plus jeans pantहरू, that is equal to एउटा pant let's say half kg छ भने we have already upcycled more than like that kgs of landfillमा जाने waste. अनि त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ we have already जनि landfillमा जानलाई चाहिँ फाल्नबाट जोगाउन चाहिँ we have already collected more than 700 pair of pants के, jeans मात्रै, denim मात्रैको कुरा हैन. त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ we are not just dealing with jeans pant or jeans को waste हैन, or फ्याक्ट्रीबाट निस्किने jeans को टुक्राहरू हो something something like that. So we are also trying to reutilize and other sources of textile waste as well now. And so this is just when we started denim bata gareko bhaera I had this numbers that we haven't done. So yeah.
Even I'm surprised किनकि अब हामीहरूको घरको एउटा सिम्पल one jeans can be very dangerous to environment, especially अब the trend in our country which is increasing. 500 मा दुईटा लुगा पाइरहेछ, लाउने 1 महिना लाएपछि त निस्किसक्यो नि पैसा त, and then we'll throw it.
Yes.
But we are not able to be responsible with the fashion, and that is one of the very big challenge growing in Nepal as well. What more I want to know is about your team.
Okay.
So to run every organization, to run every business, of course, there is a team, and I am very sure all of this must be done from a very efficient team. And I would love to know about your team, how you found them, and what are the members and what they do to complete the production of these products.
So I started, this is my individual initiation. So initiation matra garera bhayena, I need to have like a good group of people who's gonna implement all the things that I have visioned into reality, right? So so staff, there's my jati pani saman you're seeing here. हैन everything that is my design हैन तर स्टिचिङ गर्ने अनि एकदम राम्रो skilled stitch गर्ने दिदीहरु हुनुहुन्छ, they stay they are like home based workers हैन. So after doing उहाँहरुको सबै उहाँहरुको घरको chaos and everything सकिसकेपछि they have like some time, they utilize that time to make these things हैन. So we have like 3 different ladies, home based ladies working with us, and त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ I also have like very smart and young girls, bachelor's गरिरहेको girlsहरु छ who looks after sales of mine and social media marketings and everything. So they are also there, and still I have like some additional team अझै पनि अब because to expand we need to have like a stronger and wider like bigger team. So I have like other things we are trying to incorporate as well. So few अरु पर्सनहरु पनि एड हुँदैछ हाम्रो मार्केटिङको लागि अनि त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ we normally have like internship open here so that they can learn in designing हैन, they can learn about sales and marketing as well. So त्यसरी internship को basis मा पनि हामीले राम्रो टिम पनि generate गरेको छ for like हुन्छ 3-4 months को लागि they comes in, they pour their knowledge हैन, उहाँहरुले हाम्रोबाट पनि केही सिकेर जानुहुन्छ. So त्यसरी चाहिँ we have like different aspects we are trying to pour into. अनि त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ अर्को एकजना चाहिँ एकदम ठुलो strong team भनेको मेरो मम्मी हुनुहुन्छ के. So she is there all the time हैन. So there are like so much small nitty-gritty things that has to be done because this is not something नयाँ कपडाबाट बनाएर अनि कट गरेर डाइरेक्टली स्टिच गर्न मिल्ने. So we should have like हुन्छ नि jeansहरु कलेक्ट गरिसकेपछि that has to be washed, sanitize, segregate हैन, अनि pocketsहरु each and every different partsहरु चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्यो. Everything is there. So त्यो small things मा चाहिँ help मलाई support गर्ने चाहिँ मेरो मम्मी हुनुहुन्छ के. So she is the major part of my team. त्यसपछिको वाला कामहरु चाहिँ म गर्ने भयो. So yeah, this is my whole team journey.
And this can be very best way to like share this idea किनकि यो idea develop भइसकेपछि if it is with you only then it will create impact but in a very less ratio.
Right.
And of course तपाईहरुले जसरी intern को कुरा गर्नुभयो नि, अब उनीहरुले पनि if possibly they will be doing this, they will be sharing this idea more, they may start a similar kind of business and grow this idea and help with the collection of those denim waste and to recycle and upcycle it. So that's very great.
Yeah.
When we talk about sustainable fashion or doing something different, you know, you must have faced a number of problems, a number of difficulties, especially in Nepal ma chahi people have become used to many things. You know, अब cloth हरुलाई लिएर पनि fabric waste लाई यस्तो recycling, upcycling material use गर्नुमा they are not used to. They are used to like fast fashion.
Right.
So what are the difficulties that you faced while working with these things?
Okay, the challenges that I have faced हैन, एकदम सुरुको च्यालेन्जबाट कुरा गर्छु है म. So this was something एकदम नयाँ हैन, पुरानो कपडाबाट पुरानो लगाइसकेको त्यो पनि अरूको होइन लगाइसकेको लुगाबाट चाहिँ वी आर ट्राइङ टु टर्न देम इन्टु सम जहिले पनि एभ्री डे लाइफमा युज हुने ब्याग्सहरू सो द्याट वाज माई फर्स्ट थिङ द्याट आई वान्टेड टु मेक राइट सो आई वाज सो मच स्केप्टिकल के भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ विल द्याट पिपल एक्सेप्ट बिकज अर्काको लुगा भनेकै लाउनु हुँदैन भनेर चलिरहेको हुन्छ नेगेटिभ एनर्जी होइन के हाइजिनको कुरा के हुन्थ्यो पहिला भनेपछि त सो आई एम ट्राइङ टु मेक अरूको लुगाबाट अरूको प्यान्टबाट ब्याग्स होइन सो आई वाज सो मच स्केप्टिकल अनि सो वाट आई डिड इज स्टार्टिङमा आई मेड फ्यु स्याम्पल्स होइन आई कलेक्टेड माई प्यान्ट एन्ड माई कजन सिब्लिङ्सहरूको प्यान्ट लगिदेऊ मलाई काम नलाग्नेवाला भनेर आई कलेक्टेड देम एन्ड मेड फ्यु स्याम्पल्स अफ ब्ल्याक ब्याग्स एन्ड अल एन्ड आई गेभ टु द क्लोज्ड सिब्लिङ्सहरूमा चाहिँ ल युज इट and give me feedback how it works and what you like the most, how's the durability, will you wear it like later or not, will you carry it, will you suggest it, something like that. So give me feedbacks. Once I started like that, so I have made something about like 10 to 12 pairs of like bags of different designs and distributed to many of them, and I collected like feedbacks like everybody were like huncha, durability is good, designs are also nice, we might like it, sabai thauma carry nagare pani, but this is different, the concept is different, so we might be wearing it, you can try bhaniwala त्यसरी कुरा आएर it was like one phrase up भएपछि चाहिँ I started this works, this might work, so the only thing I need to make is like I have made the small of my community, like of my family understand what I'm doing, so अलिकति लार्जर फर्ममा मैले के गरेँ भने चाहिँ आई क्यान मेक पिपल अल्सो अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड अबाउट लाइक वाट दिस इज भन्ने एउटा चाहिँ कन्फिडेन्स बिल्ड भएपछि चाहिँ आई स्टार्टेड दिस राइट सो त्यसरी चाहिँ सुरु भयो द जर्नी अनि वाट ह्यापन्स इज लाइक नेपालमा सस्टेनेबिलिटीको वाला कन्सेप्ट चाहिँ त्यति धेरै आइसकेको छैन बिकज इट हेज अलरेडी स्टार्टेड इन लाइक फरेन कन्ट्रिज एन्ड वेस्टर्न अनि इट इज पार्ट अफ देयर कल्चर एज वेल हुन्छ नि आफ्नो कल्चरल फेसनमा पनि युज हुन थालिसकेछ द कन्सेप्ट अफ थ्रिफ्टिङ कन्सेप्ट अफ लाइक डोनेटिङ होइन अनि रियुटिलाइजिङ यिनीहरू चाहिँ दे हेभ बिन लाइक सो मच डेभलप्ड अदर कन्ट्रिज बट हामी चाहिँ पहिला हाम्रोमा यो रिपर्पोज गर्नेवाला थियो inherited, but we were been like so much influenced by वेस्टर्न कल्चर सो हामी चाहिँ वेस्टर्न हुँदै गयो उनीहरू चाहिँ हाम्रो जुन पहिला थियो हाम्रो पेरेन्ट्सहरूको ग्रान्ड पेरेन्ट्सहरूको पालामा नाउ दे आर इन्टु द्याट लुप होइन सो त्यसरी भइरहेको बेलामा चाहिँ सो इट वाज लाइक स्लोली स्टार्टेड होइन तर त्यसरी चाहिँ छैन भने होइन बट नयाँ कुरालाई एक्सेप्टेन्स ल्याउनलाई अनि नयाँ कुरालाई चाहिँ जसको चाहिँ इम्प्याक्ट अलिकति लामो हुन सक्थ्यो होइन सो त्यो कुरालाई ल्याउनलाई इट टेक्स टाइम बट स्टिल वी आर ट्राइङ टु एफोर्ट इन द्याट वे अनि वी ट्राई टु पार्टिसिपेट इन मेनी डिफ्रेन्ट के भन्छ exhibitions and like different people interactive things, different seminars and all, so that we can tell our story, so that people might understand what we are trying to do and what is the impact, what are the impacts that we can create with this concept on it. So we are trying to do like that.
From your impact stories, अब तपाईको like some customers or the feedback को कुरा गर्नु भयो नि from the different visits or the seminars you did, त्योबाट like any customer who wants to share something special or the feedback that can be an impact story for your organization.
So there are like many actually. So one-to-one भेट्दाखेरि चाहिँ mostly after we share them what we are doing होइन अनि what is the hidden impact that will be created if you follow this thing होइन अब सस्टेनेबिलिटीमा चाहिँ लाइफस्टाइल पनि सस्टेनेबल बनाउँदै गयो भने चाहिँ वाट वुड बी द इम्प्याक्ट्स एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ त्योहरू चाहिँ अलिअलि सेयर गर्दै जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ पिपल वान to हुन्छ नि इन्टरेक्सनमै दे गेट सो इन्सपायर्ड एन्ड दे सेज लाइक अलिअलि भए पनि विल बी फलोइङ दस अब चाहिँ केही भ्याल्यु आउँछ भन्ने थाहा भयो सो वी वन्ट बी हुन्छ नि थ्रोइङ आवर क्लोथ आवर प्यान्ट्स टु अदर इदर मिल्छ भने चाहिँ थ्रिफ्टिङको लागि राम्रो कन्डिसनमा छ भने विल डु इट लाइक थ्रिफ्टिङ स्टोर्सहरूमा विल डु or will like हुन्छ नि कामै नलाग्ने छ भने चाहिँ विल डेफिनेटली रिमेम्बर यु भन्नेवालाहरू चाहिँ वी हेभ लाइक हुन्छ नि एकदम धेरै भेट्यो होइन वी हेभ टर्न देयर हुन्छ नि कन्सेप्ट त्यसरी पनि एकदम धेरै चाहिँ भएको चाहिँ छ सो एउटै भनेर भन्दा पनि त्यहाँ लाइक सो मेनी डिफ्रेन्ट पिपल्स के यङ्स्टर्सहरूमा चाहिँ दे आइभ सिन लाइक सो मच एक्साइटमेन्ट आफ्टर दे नो अबाउट अस होइन आफ्टर वी कन्सेप्ट हाम्रो कन्सेप्ट्सहरू सबैतिर चाहिँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यङ्स्टर्स आर लाइक सो मच गुड अनि त्यसपछि पिपल हुलाई लाइक 50+ को भनौँ न होइन उहाँहरूले चाहिँ ए हामीले हाम्रो पालामा त यस्तो गरेको थिएन थाहा पनि छैन तर नानी तिमीहरूले गरिरहेकोबाट चाहिँ होइन इन्भाइरोमेन्ट पनि यसो यसो भइरहेछ आजकलको यङ्स्टर्सहरूलाई चाहिँ हुन्छ नि दे केयर सो मच अबाउट इन्भाइरोमेन्ट सो युआर रियली डुइङ वेल भनेर चाहिँ लाइक हुन्छ नि वाट डु यु से आशीर्वाद समथिङ राइट युआर डुइङ वेल भनेर त्यस्तो खालि पनि एकदम धेरै भएको छ सो दोज थिङ्स अल्सो किप्स अस गोइङ के So we have created like यही एउटा मान्छेको भन्दा पनि we have been like creating so much of different impact in the concept and in the concept of people so that they can be more into sustainable lifestyle or sustainable fashion.
And Ashirwad Chimako like because you have recently won an award, entrepreneurship award in Lalitpur.
Okay.
Yes. And so how does it feel to be recognized, to get recognized for your special work?
So that was a great moment actually. थाहै थिएन. So I am connected with the LMC Lalitpur Metropolitan City को चाहिँ there's women empowerment, women entrepreneurship को लागि भनेर चाहिँ they have developed एउटा different department is okay. So I am associated there like past 3 years, 2 years देखि नै हैन. अनि so 2 years देखि नै थाहा थियो that this was happening every year होइन महिला सम्मेलन भनेर women conference भनेर they used to do every year and I have already seen like हुन्छ नि 20 ladies already been awarded like that and I used to think ला अब एकचोटि त मेरो पनि हुन्छ होला I'll also get recognized that way भनेर चाहिँ it was there in my mind होइन but this year what happened luckily भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ so they have been seeing all the works that we are doing, what impacts we were been like placing and everything. So they selected the department, the judges and everyone selected different department, different varieties of areas ma काम गर्नु हुने ladies like just select गर्नु भएको हो. So that day I didn't know I didn't know at all. So that quickly happened. नाम आयो. So what happened is like सबैजनालाई थाहा थियो. So last part of the program will be like there will be announcing like 10 ladies and so we were like so much excited हुन्छ नि ल नाम आयो भने त कति रमाइलो हुन्थ्यो 2 वर्ष अगाडि सोचेको भने it was that in my mind हैन तर त्यसरी चाहिँ थाहा थिएन and then सबैजनाको नाम एक एकजनालाई आयो अनि then लास्टमा रश्मि तन्डुका सबभन्दा सानो भन्नेवाला आएपछि त my god सबभन्दा the youngest entrepreneur भनेर 10th मा मेरो नाम अनाउन्स भएको थियो के लास्टमा so the youngest होइन woman entrepreneur she has already done this यत्रो ठुलो मासमा चाहिँ she has already impacted in this many things she has already done यस्तो कुरा now she is doing this अलिकति vision चाहिँ यो हो भन्नेवाला कुरा त्यो मासमा there was like सब लेडिजहरू थियो more than 500-600 लेडिजहरूको बिचमा चाहिँ एमसी गर्नु हुने म्यामले she spoke like that so त्यो भनेपछि त like हुन्छ नि आउट अफ द वर्ल्ड भयो कि नाम अनाउन्स गरेपछि राइट त्यो भयो अनि त्यसपछि अवार्ड लियो अनि यता आएर बस्न पाएको छैन सो बिङ अ यङ्गेस्ट होइन दिस इज यु लुक सो ह्याप्पी सो आफ्नो अचिभमेन्ट र अनि कस्तो लागिरहेछ भन्नेवाला कुरा चाहिँ सर्ट केही भनिदेऊ भनेर इम्प्रम्प्टली बोलाउनु पनि भयो के सेटल पनि भएको छैन त्यो अवार्ड लिएर सेटल भन्नलाई तल गएको पनि छैन सो I went there and so nervousness I don't know how I speak also so impromptu 5 minutes बोल्न सके मैले स्टेजमा so त्यो एउटा त्यो हुन्छ नि happiness को एउटा त्यो मुखमै चल्किन्छ something like that so it happened like that
so your happiness is still being shown in your smile and of course you must have given a very powerful speech you are a great speaker in fact talking about what do you think about the future of new designs, future with new designs, what better you will be making with it, how you will be spreading it, and what are your plans with new designs?
So the सबभन्दा ठुलो I would say the major goal of mine is to make provide employment opportunity to the people working here because brain drain and like everybody wants to go abroad, settle there because there's no there's no hope here in Nepal. Baniwala is increasing so much, you know. So the major thing is like what I'm doing. So is but as I skilled people, let's say I want to give much and more employment opportunity. So त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ I also want to reduce अलिकति ठुलो इम्प्याक्टमा चाहिँ the यो हामीले जुन वेस्टको वाला कुरा गरिरहेछौँ होइन. सो द्याट अल्सो लाइक अहिले भर्खर मैले जुन नम्बर्सहरूको कुरा गर्यो होइन. सो द्याट आई वान्ट टु इन्क्रिज बाई लाइक 10 times 20 times होइन.
100 times.
यस. सो त्यसरी चाहिँ इन्क्रिज गर्न सकौँ. सो द्याट अनि त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ नट दिस बिकज नेपालमा सबै कुरा इम्पोर्ट गरेर वी हेभ बिन डुइङ एभ्रिथिङ इज इम्पोर्ट. इट्स लाइक भेरी स्मल केही कुरादेखि द लार्जर थिङ्स अल्सो वी आर डिपेन्डिङ अपन अदर कन्ट्रिज होइन. सबै कुरा इम्पोर्ट भइरहेछ. सो आई वान्ट टु मेक हुन्छ नि वाट एभर वी आर डुइङ होइन. सो यतिमा लिमिटेड चाहिँ हुँदैन. सो विल बी एक्सप्लोरिङ डेनिम भन्दा बाहेक अरू अरू फेब्रिक्सहरू पनि विल बी एक्सप्लोरिङ अदर मटेरियल्स इज वेल इन्टु मेकिङ apparels, into making accessories होइन. त्यस्तोहरूबाट चाहिँ I want to export हाम्रो कुरा मेड इन नेपाल भन्ने ट्याग लगाएर टु अदर कन्ट्रिज सो द्याट हुन्छ नि उनीहरूलाई पनि यस्तो क्रिएटिभ कुरा होइन. नेपाल इज लाइक 2 times ahead than in thinking हुन्छ नि सेभ इन्भाइरोमेन्ट भन्नेवाला कुरा भएर चाहिँ. सो आई वान्ट टु एक्सपोर्ट अल्सो सो द्याट हुन्छ नि धेरैभन्दा धेरैलाई चाहिँ मैले इम्प्लोइमेन्ट अपर्च्युनिटी दिन सकौँ. So that's my huge goal actually. So 4-5 years ma kehi gari kunai na kunai त्यसको half matrai pugna सक्यो भने पनि so it's more than enough for now. So yeah,
I guess our new designs ko name chain internationally must be known by many people because most of your or many of your consumers or customers, they are from other countries. Foreigners love these products more than here, I guess.
So major consumers let's say होइन हाम्रो मार्केट चाहिँ मेजरली चाहिँ एक्सप्याट्सहरू हो. अनि त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ पिपल हु आर लाइक अलरेडी अवेर अबाउट सस्टेनेबिलिटी होइन, अबाउट इको फ्यासन अनि हु आर लाइक किन टुवर्ड्स हुन्छ नि पोल्युसन एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ त्यस्तो कुरामा चाहिँ अलिकति अवेर भएको मान्छेहरू चाहिँ दे आर अलरेडी आवर कस्टमर्स. सो द्याट इज भेरी निश. सो द्याट्स भेरी निश होइन. तर हामीले चाहिँ सेल्स मात्रै होइन कि प्रमोसन रिगार्डिङ all of these things, awareness and everything चाहिँ parallelly लगिरहेछौँ के. So that the market size that we have already, so that can be increased होइन. So सुरु गर्नलाई to sustain business also we have to be dependent on expats and those peoples होइन who are like already aware about. तर we are trying to diversify and increase the market size. So त्यसरी चाहिँ भइरहेछ. सो अनि दे अलरेडी हेभ नलेज अबाउट हुन्छ नि यो सस्टेनेबिलिटी साइक्लिङ एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ. सो दे अलरेडी नो इट होइन. सो त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ वी डोन्ट ह्याभ टु एकदम बुझाइराख्नु पर्दैन. वी डोन्ट ह्याभ टु लाइक दिस वे आर डुइङ. सो दे फाइन्ड इट सो क्रिएटिभ. नेपालमा पनि सुरु भइसकेको छ. सो दे अप्रिसिएट इट सो मच. सो इट्स इजियर फर देम टु हुन्छ नि टु मेक देम एज पार्ट अफ आवर मार्केट. तर नेपाली मार्केटमै हामीले केही गर्न सक्यो भने चाहिँ इट क्रिएट सो मच एन्ड पोजिटिभ इम्प्याक्ट नि त. सो द्याट्स वी आर ट्राइङ.
Now, what would you suggest the youths of today, being a person working for climate, what would you suggest the youths for today?
So अहिलेको young people are like way smarter than before. They knows everything. So they have all the information about what is going on in the country or like internationally, politics ko barema, changes, climate changes or they have like all of the knowledge. But still, knowledge already, so they are like smarter enough. I know we don't have to like यस्तो भनेर base level देखि हामीले भन्नै पर्दैन. They already know most of the things. So what I would like to suggest is नेपालमै के गरौँ है, हामीले नगर्यो भने कसले गर्छ है. So we are the one who have to यो जुन condition छ हाम्रो, whatever we are struggling to, सो यसबाट अलिकति माथि लानलाई बेटर गर्नलाई हाम्रो फ्युचर जेनेरेसन नेपाली हाम्रो हुन्छ नि जो पनि होइन उहाँहरूको राम्रो गर्नलाई फ्युचर राम्रो गर्नलाई वी हेभ टु वर्क सो वी हेभ टु ग्राइन्ड एटलिस्ट होइन अहिलेको लागि त सो हामीले नगरे कसले गर्छ सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ बाहिर जाने इज गुड होइन टु गेट लाइक एक्सपोजर रिगार्डिङ द नलेज एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ बाहिर गएर पढेर आयो गेट सम कन्सेप्ट गेट सम आइडियाज फ्रम द्याट अनि त्यसपछि वर्क हियर होइन सजिलो छैन होइन सजिलो छैन गाह्रो छ च्यालेन्जेसहरू पनि धेरै छ देयर इज लाइक हुन्छ नि अप्स एन्ड डाउन्सहरू पनि अब बाहिरको कम्पेरिजनमा धेरै आउला होइन तर स्टिल यता केही गर्न सक्यो भने एक एकजनाले मात्रै पनि थोरै थोरै आफ्नो साइडबाट केही हाम्रोमै नेपालमै गर्न सक्यो भने चाहिँ नेपाललाई राम्रो बनाउन सकिन्छ
यो कन्टेक्स्टमा चाहिँ I would love to share a very interesting thing. In our like recent business class, while I was studying business, what our teachers shared is in the present market, Nepali market मा चाहिँ अहिले youthहरूले जुन प्रोडक्टहरू बढी डिमान्ड लाइक द क्लथ्स फर द youths, the production of that clothes are decreasing day by day in Nepal in different countries, and it is increasing for women and the children more. And why is this happening? Because we don't have youth in our country.
Right.
Youth चाहिँ छँदैछ उनीहरूले युज गर्ने प्रोडक्टको समेत डिमान्ड चाहिँ कम भइरहेछ and that is something happening with these things also. And if someone is an entrepreneur, okay, that is the advice for the youth. And if someone is an entrepreneur, being an entrepreneur, what would you suggest them?
So being an entrepreneur is not that easy job, right? 9 to 5 job if you're working for like some other organization, so you are playing safe, you know. This work hours ekdam hectic huncha, there's like so much of pressure and every stress and everything. But being an entrepreneur, you have to work 24/7. I know. So whoever wants to be an entrepreneur, I know, who have like great ideas that can impact so much to the community, I know, environment ko lagi or for the country, I know, whoever has that idea, entrepreneur banna sajilo suru garna sajilo cha tara त्यसलाई लागि पर्नलाई चाहिँ is very hard. So I want to suggest is like entrepreneur बन्नुस्, change ल्याउँ नेपालमा हैन तर you have to be ready हुन्छ नि 24/7 काम गर्नलाई, you have to be that disciplined so that you know you can achieve that things. हैन you should have like larger spectrum मा चाहिँ vision चाहिँ बनाउनु, vision गरेको larger spectrum मा चाहिँ बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. short visions-हरु पनि चाहिन्छ काम गर्नलाई, everything should be there, तर larger vision मा काम गर्ने चाहिँ बानी गरौँ हैन. आज गर्यो भोलि नै रिजल्ट आउन सकिँदैन. So अलिकति लागि परेर for like few years you have to grind yourself so much and you have to be comfortable in meeting many people as you can. हैन जतिजना धेरै मान्छेसँग इन्टरेक्ट गर्न सक्यो, जति धेरै एक्सपिरियन्स मान्छेहरुसँग कुरा गर्न सक्यो, उहाँहरुसँग नेटवर्किङ गर्न सक्यो, त्यति नै हामीलाई एक्सपिरियन्स उहाँहरुको नलेज पनि आउँछ, उहाँहरुको एक्सपिरियन्सबाट हामीलाई सोलुसन पनि निस्केर जान्छ, नेटवर्किङ पनि राम्रो भएर जान्छ. सो एन्टरप्रेन्योर बन्नुस् हैन, get your great ideas so that there's gonna be like wider change. तर त्यो सँगसँगै चाहिँ be disciplined हैन, अलिकति आफूले जे गर्न खोज्नु भएको छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ एकदम इनहेरिट गरेर चाहिँ लागि परेर काम गर्नुहोस् हैन. ट्राई टु मिट सो मेनी पिपल एज यु क्यान. एन्ड द सोसियल मिडियाको जमानामा, डिजिटलको जमानामा चाहिँ ट्राई टु लर्न इच एन्ड एभ्री स्किल द्याट क्यान बी गेन्ड हैन. सो skill develop गर्नलाई you just have to dedicate some time, x amount of your time हैन. So that like editing skill पनि generate गर्नु पर्यो, किनकि entrepreneur बनिसकेपछि first मै 10 जना people we can't hire, right? So you have to learn editing skill also. बोल्नु पनि पर्यो, क्यामेरामा अगाडि आएर बोल्नु पनि सक्नु पर्यो, नाच्नु पनि सक्नु पर्यो होला sometime हैन. You have to be that camera friendly. You should develop your communication skill हैन. You should develop your confidence as much as possible हैन. त्यस्तो सानो सानो स्किल्सहरु चाहिँ डेभलप गर्दै लगेर अगाडि बढ्यो भने चाहिँ एउटा पोइन्टमा चाहिँ you'll definitely be successful. So yeah, I would round up गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ develop. Being an entrepreneur is not easy. 24/7 काम गर्नु परिहाल्यो यु हेभ टु बी फोकस लाइक द्याट होइन 24/7 नै काम हुन्छ राति पनि गर्नुपर्छ
No work-life balance.
नो
should be seen
या
like
देयर इज
that.
नो ब्यालेन्स एट अल फर पर्सनल एन्ड त्यो वाला लाइफ होइन डेलिभरी पनि आफै गर्न जानुपर्छ फर्स्टमा प्याकिङ आफै गर्ने हो बनाउने आफै हो भिडियो खिच्ने आफै हो
Design आफै गर्ने हो,
design
model आफै हो।
सबै आफै हो होइन सो त्यसरी चाहिँ सुरु गर्ने हो सो यु हेभ टु बी रेडी फर दोज ओल्ड थिङ्स अनि त्यसपछि स्किल डेभलप गर्नलाई चाहिँ छोड्नु भएन ट्राई टु लर्न as many skills as you can अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ strongly अगाडि जान सक्छ confidently अगाडि जान सक्छ and you can success
Thank you very much for joining us because you have given your time and your words and of course your story, the story of No Designs is going to be impactful for many of our audience and of course they will be learning a lot of things from you, from the story of No Designs regarding the sustainable style, regarding the sustainable fashion and of course they will try to be responsible with their fashion from the next time I guess. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me in your show and I would like to say all the best what you're trying to do.
Thank you a
Being a
lot.
very young person, I know who have like impacted me so much, influenced me, and made me convinced to do this in second season, second
episode,
episode, right?
okay.
Yeah, second episode. So this is our second time we're meeting,
Yes.
but you made me believe in you because of your confidence, what you are trying to do, and your learning that you want to do some change in the environment. You want to create some impact by your works and everything in the environment. So
I am
thank you
grateful
so
for
much.
you.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much. Start Bagalo. If you want to know more about No Design, do check their social media pages, Instagram page and the Facebook page, which you can find in the link attached in the description. And remember, every step towards sustainability counts. This was From Waste to Wow. Until next, stay conscious, stay inspired. Thank you.